Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita. Sanam, you were not there yesterday, no? In yesterday's class?
Yes, ma'am. There was some network issues, so because of them, I was not able to attend the classes.
Okay, open your camera. So I'll just repeat what we did yesterday in class. Okay? Sanam, open your camera. Yes. What is the name of the chapter? That's Mon pays la France.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now, can you hear me? Is it clear
No,
now?
ma'am, not properly.
Now, is it clear? Can you hear me, Zainab?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Because something is wrong in your device. Something is wrong. I don't know. Just rejoin. Do one thing.
Ma'am, please wait.
Leave the meeting and rejoin. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Open page number 33 of your book. The chapter is Mon pays la France. Now, what does that mean? What is the meaning of this? Mon pays la France. Tell me. Unmute yourself, Peter.
Ma'am, I don't know.
What is the meaning of mon? M-O-N, mon. Mon means my. And what do we mean by pay? Pay means country. My country, France. Now in this chapter, we are going to study about the country France. Write it down in your copy. Write down the heading. Write down the chapter
Okay,
name.
ma'am.
Leçon 3. Mon pays. which means my country. And what is the name of the country? La France. Now, the first line of the chapter says, Voici la carte de mon pays. What do you mean by voici? Zainab, what is voici? Voici means here is. Here is. Here is what? La carte. La carte is the map. Here is the map de mon pays. The means of. The also means from, but here in this sentence it means of. Here is
Okay.
the map of my
Our country.
country. My country, not our country. Mon
Yes,
stands
ma'am.
for my. Here is the map
Okay, ma'am.
of my country. Now, when we look at the map, they have now geographically explained the situation and location of France, where it is situated, which all other neighboring countries are there. It is surrounded by few mountains, the rivers that go through, the rivers that either flow in the country or around this country. They are speaking,
Around.
yes, they are telling all about France. Now, the
Okay.
next line, Paris est la capitale de la France. What does it mean? Paris is the capital of France.
Capital of France.
Il y a 5 fleuves importants en France. Il y a 5 fleuves. Now, what is the meaning of fleuve? What is fleuve?
Slopes.
Fleuves. What is fleuve? Fleuve is rivers.
Okay, ma'am.
Il y a. What is the meaning of il y a? Il y a 5 fleuves, which means there are 5 rivers. There are 5 important rivers in France.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the names of those rivers? La Seine, la Loire, la Garonne, le Rhône, et le Rhin. These are the 5 important rivers. Now, beta, what you're going to do is, you're going to write it like this. The first thing, this is the heading of the chapter. The first thing what you are writing is about this chapter. The important rivers. Les fleuves importants. Underline it and write the names of all the 5 rivers. Write it in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Which means the important rivers.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Now the next line is, La Seine traverse la ville de Paris. Now, which river are they talking about? They are talking about this river. Now, what it does, La Seine traverse. What is traverse? Traverse is to cross. It crosses what? La ville de
Willy.
Paris. That is the city of Paris. So this is the river that passes through or crosses through the city of Paris. Les montagnes principales. Now, what is montagne principale? The main mountains.
Okay, ma'am.
The next topic now that we get is les.
Mountain.
Yes, very good. Montagne principale, the main mountains. Now it's not coming in my board. The spellings are incomplete. Better you will write the full spelling. Les montagnes principales de la France sont. What are these mountains? Les Pyrénées. Les
So,
Pyrénées.
ma'am, you can erase the that rivers.
You'll be able to see it, don't worry. Right? You can see it?
Yes, ma'am.
And then add. Okay, now what they have told, les montagnes principales de la France sont les Pyrénées dans le sud-ouest. Now what is sud-ouest? Sud is a direction that is south and west is a direction that is west. So what do we call it? Sud-ouest. And les Alpes dans le sud. We call it sud, that is southeast. Written the montagne also?
No, ma'am, I'm right.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, then next we have les pays voisins de la France. Now what is pays voisin? Pays we know is country, right? And what is voisin? Voisin is neighbor.
Name. Okay, ma'am.
So the neighboring countries of the France are which are those neighboring countries? La Belgique
The Belgique.
et l'Angleterre. Sorry,
L'Angleterre.
au nord, la Belgique et l'Angleterre. À l'est, l'Allemagne, la Suisse et l'Italie. Au sud, l'Espagne. So these are in all directions. They have told about the neighboring countries, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The next point that we have to write is les pays voisins. That is the neighboring countries. Now, in the north, which are the two countries? That is la Belgique et l'Angleterre. Beta, here space is little less. So you're going to write the names of the countries and the direction also in the north. O north.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. A l'Angleterre, O north. Then the second, Allemagne, Swiss, La Suisse, and L'Italie. Where? In the east. A-S. Ales. And Espagne au sud.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Then, what is the next line? À l'ouest, il y a. Now, in the west, there is l'océan Atlantique. Now, what is in the western side of France? What is there?
Ma'am, there is the ocean,
Which ocean?
Atlantic Ocean. I
Yes,
think.
there is Atlantic Ocean at the western side of France. La Manche séparait la France de l'Angleterre. Now, what is it? The Manche, that is the English Channel. You've heard about the sea, the English Sea, the English Channel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, the English Channel separates France from England, which means that between England and France, we have the English Channel. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, la France est connue pour ses fromages. What is connu? Connu is known, is famous.
Okay.
The France is famous for its cheese. Now, which are the different types of cheese? Le Camembert, Le Brie, Le Roquefort.
Fourth.
Then, sa cuisine et sa parfum. Now, France is famous for what all? Its cheese, its cuisine. What is cuisine? Cuisine is the kind of food it offers.
Okay, ma'am.
Means French food. And its perfume. Now, what are the brands of the perfumes? Chanel, Christian Dior, Paco Rabanne.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now you're also going to write Le Fromage. Write down. Next, take the important cheese.
Le fromage.
Le fromage français, which means the French cheese.
Ma.
Le fromage français.
Say.
Write down all the names. Le Roquefort, Le Brie, Le Camembert, everything.
Convert. Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write down the perfumes.
Okay, ma'am.
Les parfums.
Perfumes. Chanel. Christian Dior. Harpo. And ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hear now what is it? We are done with the chapter. Now what you will do, Zainab, you're going to read this chapter from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start reading?
Yes, Peter, start.
Voici la carte de mon pays. La France, Paris, est la capitale de la France.
Wait, Peter, wait.
I-
It's not
Okay, ma'am.
Paris. In French, we call it Paris. Paris. Paris
Okay,
is
ma'am.
the capital.
Paris. Paris est la capitale de la France. Il y a flux importants et français. La Seine, la Loire, la Garonne, les Rhône et les Rhin. La Seine traverse la ville de... Ma'am, what do we call Paris?
Okay. First of all, it's not will, it's V. Double L is
V.
silent here. La vie de Paris.
La ville de Paris, les montées principales de la France.
It's not français, beta. Français is this. See, look at the board. Look at the board here. This word
Okay.
is pronounced as français. Country is called France.
France.
Yes.
Les Pyrénées de la Sud-Est, les Alpes de le Sud-Est.
Les Alpes. It's les Alpes dans le sud.
Okay, ma'am. Les pays voisins de la France sont au nord la Belgique et l'Angleterre. À l'est, l'Allemagne. La Suisse et l'Italie. Au sud, Espagnol. À l'ouest, il y a l'océan Atlantique. La Manche sépare la France de l'Angleterre. La France est connue pour ses fromages. Les camembert, les brie, le roquefort. Sa cuisine et ses parfums. Chanel, Christine Dior, Paco Rabanne, etc.
Okay. Very good. Now, cochez le bon réponse. Try to do these two exercises yourself. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay, do it yourself, then we'll discuss it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the meaning of the third and the fourth one?
Third one of which one?
Ma'am, the second question.
Second question, the three ou four. The third one says, La Loire traverse la ville de Paris. La Loire. Now, what is Loire? Loire is a river. It crosses.
Yes, ma'am.
It crosses the city of Paris. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it this river that crosses the city of Paris, or it was some other river?
Ma'am, it was La Seine.
Yes, La Seine. So it is going to be 4.
4.
And the next one also?
Yes, ma'am.
La France est connue pour sa cuisine. France is known for its cuisine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Done? Very good. Now the first one. L'océan Atlantique est
Sue.
sud.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta. Where is Atlantic Ocean? In which direction? Read it
Okay,
once
ma'am.
again. Tell me in which direction is it?
Ma'am, north. Ma'am, it's west.
Yes, à l'ouest.
À l'ouest.
À l'ouest, il y a l'océan Atlantique. Then the second one. La Manche séparait la France
De l'Angleterre.
de l'Angleterre. Very good. Le Roquefort est un
Fromage.
fromage. La Belgique est au sud de la France.
Faux.
Faux. Le Rhône est un fleuve.
Ray.
Ré. La Loire traverse la ville de Paris.
Faux.
Very good. La France est connue pour sa cuisine.
Ray.
Ré. Le brie est une sorte de vin.
Ma'am, I didn't get this one.
Okay. Le brie is a sort of wine.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a type of wine. Now you tell, it's Ray or faux?
Ma'am, faux.
Faux. Why? Because le brie is what?
Ma'am, it's a fromage.
Yes. Est une sorte de fromage. It is a type of cheese.
From cheese.
Now, similarly, beta, the next question, the third question, répondez aux questions. You'll do it in your copy. Now, since
Okay,
you
ma'am.
the whole chapter, just start doing these questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Nommez les pays voisins de la France. Zainab, done the first one?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't get the first one. Can you please explain?
Nommez les pays voisins de la France. Now, what is voisin? Voisin is neighboring. Name the neighboring countries. Pays is country. Nommez les pays voisins de la France. Now, there are so many countries that
Yes, ma'am.
surround France. You can write.
Belgique,
Yes.
Angleterre.
Very good, very good. Almond,
We-
Swiss. Need not
Ma'am,
write the direction, just write the name of the country.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next one you're able to understand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we need to tell the from cheese.
Yes. Then beta, I'm ending the meeting here because it's time for the next class now.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.